It's time for a new truck upgrade, so I got this carbon fiber steering wheel. It is D-shaped and made with real carbon fiber. It was super easy to install. Just pop off the airbag, undo all of your electrical wires, loosen that big bolt that pulls it off, and then take your steering wheel off, save all of your buttons. You're going to pop those right on your new steering wheel. Once you get those all clipped in, you can pop that new steering wheel right back on. Make sure you get that main bolt nice and tight, and then you can clip back in your airbag and all the electrical wires and pop that on, and you're all set to go. This is such a simple upgrade that really does just elevate the look of your truck. I love how comfortable this is to use no matter what angle you're holding the steering wheel. If you've got long legs, that D shape really provides you extra leg room, especially when you're getting in and out of the truck. The perforated leather hand grips are so comfortable to hold, and I love that it has the back finger grooves for when you're holding the steering wheel from the top. No matter which way you hold your steering wheel, this is comfortable all the way around and will definitely prevent you from fatiguing with long hours of driving. It's super easy to use and maneuver. I thought that this would take a little bit of getting used to, but my boyfriend just instantly commented on how cool it was and how easy and comfortable it felt. I love the red stitching accent. That shiny carbon fiber looks so good.